guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q, and today I'm here with a back to school haul. I won't be trying them on, but I will be showing you guys what I got for school, and I have a few of my shoes and then my clothes, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys that. I don't want to make the video too long, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'll be starting with my shoes before I get to my clothes. So the first pair of shoes are my Converse, and I went out and bought some high top Converse instead of the low top this time. I decided to do it a little different this time. And then I have these Crown and Ivy. Y'all, I don't know what I was doing, but it's supposed to be the other way. Lace up sandals that I got from, I think it was Sears or Dillard's when they had like a big sale. And they look like this, but they lace up and they're like cream. They're really cute. Okay, and then I have these sandals. I don't know who this brand is. I just got them from Marshall's. And these are really, really cute. And then lastly, I have my babies when it comes to my sneakers. And these are my new sneakers. And if you have me on Instagram, then you saw me post these on my highlights and my actual feed. So yeah, if you don't have me on Instagram, get me on Instagram. But yeah, these are my new favorites. I love these. I'm gonna go buy another pair. Those are my shoes, so let's just get into the clothes that I bought for this upcoming school year. Okay, so the first thing is actually from H&M, and it's this jersey. It says Detroit 97, even though I was born in 99. That's okay though. But I got these to go on my Air Max, so okay, so next I got these shorts. The zipper is down for when I tried it on. Okay, so I got these shorts from Forever 21, and they had a big sale going on, so it was like 50% off on the clearance price. So this was $9, and then it was 50% off of, you can't even, oh, that price right there. So I was like, I gotta get these, and I got these. Okay, this is something else I got from Forever 21. It's a bodysuit, all black, and it was on the clearance as well, so it was 50% off of $7. I can't, okay, there it goes. But yeah, it was really cute, and I liked it because it was black. I got these Nike leggings. Yeah, I got these to go with my Prestos. It's really cute. Yeah, they're just little leggings. Oh, then I got this Adidas hat from Marshall's because I just wanted more hats, and this is one that I got so far. And I thought this was cute, even though it's gray and white. I thought it was cute. Okay, so then I got like this tube top bodysuit from Charlotte Russe. Yeah, this is really cute too. So then I got this button down top. It's so bright, from H&M. It's really cute, and I got these nice little sandals to go with it, so I can't wait to put that outfit together. And then I got this graphic tee because I love graphic t-shirts to go with my sneakers. And you can, okay, yeah, it's just like this. Pretty simple. I also got a Victoria's Secret shirt. Boom boom. Oh, I didn't even realize this goes by Air Max too. But yeah, of course this wasn't on sale. They don't ever really have a sale on these shirts, at least the ones that I like. So, and I got these shorts from H&M because they were having like the $10 shorts going on. So I just got these. Well, I have another pair in the other bag, but these. Okay, so I got these. Y'all, Forever 21 had a good sale on shorts. It was like the clearance thing, so all of these shorts that I have for Forever 21 was like 50% off the tag, and they were all 15, so it was 50% off of that. So I got these cute ones, some black shorts. I got these from H&M because it was the 30% off, and then it was the $7. Can you see? Yeah. So yeah, I got these. Oh, and then these were another pair of shorts from H&M for the $10. And then these are just like, I don't know what you call these pants, but a lot of people are wearing them now. And I got it from Charlotte Russe. It's just something simple. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and stay tuned for more that's coming onto my channel. I'm just so ready to get back to school so everything could be back to how it was when I first started, as far as like my setup and everything. But I only have a few more days. Time is winding down and your girl will be back to school. So yeah, just stay tuned for more that's coming onto my channel. And thanks for the support and the love that I'm getting so far. And I'll see you guys later.